Good morning, dear students. Students, welcome to your drawing lecture. So, students, as I told before also, we are going to do a drawing in A4 size drawing book. Okay? Then, students, on the first page, that is your index page, you are going to write the topic name on number 3rd. Because on number 1 and 2, we have done color wheel and name plate. So on number 3, we are going to write the topic name. And today's our topic is umbrella drawing. Okay. So now on the drawing book, you are going to remove your right hand side page and you are going to start with the drawing. So students, on our right hand side page, first we will start with the margin part. Then we will write our topic name. Before that, we will see what materials we will need for today's lecture. So we are going to need a scale, pencil, eraser and your crayon colors. These are the materials which we will need for today's lecture. And students, if you all are having a rounder, then you all can use a rounder also to make a proper half circle. If you are not having a rounder, see the way I am doing, because I am going to do directly with the help of pencil only. Okay. So now first we will start with the bordering part. As the way we took every time, as usual, we will take from 0 to 1 centimeter from all the 4 sides. After taking border from all the 4 sides, we will start with the line. That is our margin. Okay students, so as you all can see, we are done with margin from all the 4 sides. Now we will write our today's topic name. And today's our topic name is umbrella drawing. Okay. Okay, so done with a umbrella, done with a topic name also. Now the same topic you are going to write on a index page also. Okay, and you will put the today's date. When you will receive this lecture, you are going to write the date of when you will receive this lecture on a index page also. Now we will start with the umbrella. Okay. So students, as I told you, if you all are having a rounder, then if you are having a rounder, you are going to keep your rounder in center, and with the help of pencil, you are just going to mark a half circle like this. And if you are not having a rounder, you can also take a bigger size plate and you can keep it over here. From there, you can mark the half circle. As I know to draw, so I am doing it directly. So first student, I will do it lightly because it should come correct and perfect. Now I am just going to darken it. If we will do with the help of protector also, means rounder, we will also get this half proper circle. Okay. Okay students, so as you can see, I have left some space over here. Why I have left some space? Because from there we are going to show the handle of our umbrella. Okay, so first we are going to do a pointed thing on the top. If you want to do the pointed thing or do the way I have done. From there, mark a straight line till downwards. Don't go entire, because from here we are going to do the J shape. Just like this. And now here you are going to show the button. Okay. Now students, from here we are going to show the lines. Just like this. So students, see, our umbrella is done. Now we are not going to show any kind of design inside. Okay. If you want, well, we can show just curves like this. And one over here. Okay. Now students, we will show here two types of colors. Means up we will show red color and inside we will show yellow color. Okay. So now we will start with our coloring section. So first we will take our remove the color, that is red color and yellow color. Students, instead of red, yellow and red, we are going to do red, yellow means one colors we are going to show different. So first we will start with red color. Okay, then we will do yellow, then again red, then again yellow, then again red and last yellow. This way we are going to do. So students, as you all can see, we are done with yellow color. Now we are going to use red color. Okay. So students, we are done with red color also. Now students, for down part, we are going to use the same color, but here we have done red. So now we will do the red part inside. Then we will not do here, we will do it here, then here. Okay. Okay students, now again for down section, we are going to start red color from here, okay? In the parts which we are remaining, there we are going to give yellow color. And now we are going to give the red color over here, okay? Then after doing the red color at this place, we are going to take yellow color. So students, we are done with red color. Now we are going to use yellow color for the remaining blocks which are there beside red color, okay? Okay students, now we will start with yellow color. The same way we will do as we have done to the red color. The remaining all the boxes we are going to do with the help of yellow color. And now for last color also. Last block also. Now students, for the handle we are going to give brown color, okay? So with the help of brown color we will show the handle. Okay students, so we are done with our today's drawing. Now with the help of brown color sketch pen, we will show the border. Okay, if you all want, you all can use black color also, and if you all want, you all can use brown color also. Students, I am going to use black color sketch pen only. So if you all want, you all can use black color, or else as I told you, you all can also use brown color. With the help of sketch pen, just start with the border. So students, see, our today's drawing topic is done. So students, you are going to do the same way I have shown it. Okay, the same way you are going to copy and you are going to do. Okay students, thank you students.